Suya steak, also known as Chinchinga, is the West African answer to kebab. It's a super popular and super delicious street food that is absolutely mouth-watering. So first of all, get your steak. I am using a sirloin steak here, and what we're going to do is flatten it. So I just grab anything I can within the house to flatten my steak. We do this so that it cooks quicker. Then we're going to grab a sharp knife and start to chop our steak into blocks. Once you've done that, make sure you clean your steak, and then we're going to start with our seasonings. So starting off with some vegetable oil, some garlic granules, a beef stock cube. Now make sure that when we're mixing in all these seasonings, that beef stock cube is massaged or mixed very well into the beef, just so that we don't get any spots of the beef that are just way too salty. We're also going to add some black pepper, and then the star of the show, our Suya spice. You can also use your hands and get right in there to fully massage this in. So I have been soaking my skewers in water for at least half an hour. This is going to stop it from burning once you put it on the grill. And then you're going to take your blocks of steak and start to put this onto your skewers. Again, we're going to capitalize on that delicious suya, and we're going to sprinkle some of it over our meat on both sides. Then you want to get a rack and spray it with some oil just to stop our meat from sticking. And then we're going to grill this on 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes, turning it halfway through. Now this is regularly eaten with some cucumber, some tomatoes, some onion. Sometimes it's eaten with pepper as well. So just lots of fresh vegetables that really complement this snack and make it even more delicious than it already is. So I'm eating mine with some cucumber, some tomatoes, and some red onion. This is honestly such a delicious snack, and the fresh vegetables make all the difference, so don't forget those. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.